All right, in order to solve these problems on 3.9.b, converting among areas and volumes in the USCS system, we need to, oops, that didn't work right. We need to figure out how those two concepts are related. Let's look at this first question here. And here is an inch. A foot is 12 inches long. If you take a box that's 12 inches long and 12 inches wide, there would be, I'm not going to draw all the lines, but you see there would be a box full of those things, and there would be 144 because it's 12 by 12. If that box were suddenly to be put into the third dimension, you notice that now we've got a block that is 12 by 12 by 12, or 1,728 cubic inches. Now, I'm going to do the same thing for feet and yards. There are 3 by 3 in a foot, so there are 9 square feet in a square yard and 27 cubic feet in a cubic yard. Let's look at some at the example here. We're going to convert feet cubed to inches, so we're going to press 6.87 times 1728, and we get 11,871.36. Number 2, we're going to convert cubic yards to cubic feet. As I said, that number is 27, so 9.5 times 27, and we get 256.5. Now we're going the other direction, feet cubed to yards. 45.2 divided by 27 gives us 1.67 rounded to 2 decimal places. Next one, feet squared to inches, so 5.17 times 144, because there's 144 square inches in a square foot, and so that'd be 744.48. Next one, cubic inches to cubic feet, so 7,631 divided by 1728 gives us 4.4, rounded to 2 decimal places, 4.42. Inches squared, so 4,756. This time we're going to divide by 144 because there's 144 square inches in a square foot, and we get 33.03. These are the problems for 3.9.b on conversions. All right, so we are working with converting among area and volume measurements in the USCS system. M&L Lawns wishes to put in 1 inch of top dressing on a 16,000 square foot yard. Let's see how exactly that works. The first thing that you want to do is note that this is like a rectangle whose area is 16,000 square feet. And then we're going to add a third dimension 1 inch thick so that the volume will be these two numbers multiplied. The thing we have to note, though, is that those are in different units. The 16,000 is in feet, so we have to switch the inches into feet. It's 1/12 of a foot, and we get 4,000 over 3 cubic feet. We have to divide that by 27 because there's 27 cubic feet in a cubic yard, and we come up with 49.38 cubic yards, which would be about 6 to 8 truckloads, which makes sense. Next one, install 240 feet of concrete sidewalk. Okay, so let's draw the picture here. So we've got a rectangle, 240 feet long, 6 feet wide, and then 5 inches thick. So 240 times 6. Now, since we're in feet, we have to convert that 5 inches into 5/12 of a foot, and we get 600 cubic feet. Divide that by 27 because there's 27 cubic feet in a cubic yard, and we get 22.2. So this is 3.9 B.